Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. Got me going crazy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. So today I washed my hair and I wanted to show y'all my little wash day routine, which is only gonna take me a couple of minutes because I have no hair. But before I get into that video, I wanted to talk about the only new product that I've added in my routine, and that is this sea moss and castor oil hair serum that I got from WhoSuhPretty. I think that's how you say it. I hope I'm saying it right. But y'all, I freaking love this stuff. Since I've started using it, it's only been 2.5 weeks, and I can already tell a big difference in the condition and the length of my hair. Because honestly, the past couple of months, I have been so lazy with my hair. Like, I haven't been washing it like I'm supposed to. Some nights I don't sleep with a bonnet on. When I go out, I just throw on a hat, a scarf. Even at work, I'll just throw in a scrub cap and my hair will be so raggedy underneath that thing. But yeah, really, the only day that I'll do something to my hair is on Sundays, or really every other Sunday, because that's when I go to church and I gotta look halfway decent, you know? So yeah, I have been so lazy. My hair had gotten so dry and brittle. It wasn't growing. I am trying to grow my hair out just a tad, not all the way. I'm trying to, get enough so I can grip it to do some knotless box braids, and then right after that I'm cutting it right back off. But anyways, what am I talking about? Unfortunately, I don't have a comparison picture like before and after. I do have this random video of me at work that my coworker took, not the best quality, so yeah, you probably won't be able to tell a big difference, but I can tell a difference. I'm getting a little bit of growth. My hair is a lot fuller now. And I'm actually, okay, truck being loud. And my hair looks a lot fuller now that I'm actually taking care of it. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that real quick before I start the video. Shout out to this oil. I love this stuff. It really works wonders. I'm about to go ahead and start the video. I'll talk about this a little bit in the video, like how I've been using it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, of course, I'm starting off by wetting my hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo. I've actually had this just sitting in my cabinet for a couple years. I think I've only used it one time before, but slowly starting to get around to using all my products. So this is a water to foam shampoo, which is really cool, and I like how I can apply it right to my scalp. Now, this really cleaned my hair. Like, you know how you can feel when the shampoo has stripped everything out your head? And I guess that could be a good thing or a bad thing, just depends on what results you're going for. But yeah, I only shampooed my hair once. I got a really good lather that first time, and like I said before, my hair was really clean, so I didn't need to do it twice. Next, I'm going to use the Dove Crown Collection conditioner. I've been using this stuff for forever. I still love this product. It immediately melts any tangles I have, and I like to let it sit on my hair while I wash my body, and then I'll detangle my hair and then rinse it out. So once I get out the shower, I use this leave-in conditioner that's also from the Dove Crown Collection. I've been using this for forever as well. I just slap that all over my head. Feels great. And then I'm going to use some oil, putting it right on the scalp. So I use this right after I wash my hair. And then I'll add a couple drops throughout the week. And I have used it in a hot oil treatment before, and that's actually the way the brand recommends using it to get quicker results. But for the most part, I just apply it on wash days, and it has made such a big difference. The last product I'm using is this Mayo Pomegranate and Honey Custard. I use this to define my curls a little bit, and then I'm going to pick through my hair to detangle it one more time before I use my sponge brush and do my edges. I'm pretty sure sponge brushes aren't good for your hair. Well, it don't feel good to my hair at least, so I try not to use it that often. But hey, it's a quick way to get some curls. So but after that, I'm gonna let my hair dry while I do my makeup, and then go back in with the pick one more time to sort of separate the clumps a little bit, and then I'm done. And this probably took me all of 15 minutes to do all this, thank God. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to try the oil or any of the other products I used, I'll have them listed in the description box below. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.